claim that premiums will go up under reform, but they know that the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office found that reforms will lower premiums in a new insurance exchange while offering consumers protections that will limit out-of-pocket costs and prevent discrimination based on pre-existing conditions. That means is, if Congress doesn't act by New Year's Eve, middle-class families will see their taxes go up starting on New Year's Day. Because if they don't, nearly 160 million Americans will see their taxes go up at the end of this month. But if Congress refuses to act, middle-class taxes will go up. On the other hand, if you make under $250,000 a year, like 98% of American families do, your taxes shouldn't go up. On the other hand, if you make less than $250,000 a year, like 98% of American families do, your taxes shouldn't go up. Fourth, if Congress fails to act soon, clean energy companies will see their taxes go up and could be forced to lay off employees. Under my plan, 98% of American families won't see their income taxes go up at all. 18 members of the House vote the right way. 98% of American families and 97% of small business owners will have the certainty of knowing that their income taxes will not go up next year. That certainty means something to a middle-class family who's already... And finally, if Congress had listened to you, they would have given 98% of Americans and 97% of small business owners a guarantee that your taxes won't go up next year by a single dime. First, Congress needs to step up and guarantee that 98% of Americans and 97% of small business owners won't see their taxes go up next year. Now we need a majority in Congress to listen, and they should start by making sure taxes don't go up on the 98% of Americans making under $250,000 a year, starting January 1st. And 98% of Americans and 97% of all small business owners won't see their income taxes go up a single dime. That means that 98% of Americans and 97% of small businesses wouldn't see their income taxes go up at all. And 98% of small businesses wouldn't see their income taxes go up by a single dime. Even the wealthiest Americans would get a tax cut on the first. Under this law, more than 98% of Americans and 97% of small businesses will not see their income taxes go up one dime. More jobs for American workers. Every worker in business would be required to pay their fair share in tax. In time, we'll use those ratings to make sure that the colleges that keep their tuition down are the ones that will see their taxpayer funding go up.
Economists acknowledge that if we do these and other things, wages will go up and will increase the gross domestic product of the United States.
The fact of the matter is that families are seeing their premiums go up, skyrocket each and every year.
The price has to go up by the same amount. The cost.
My bottom line, though, is that if you've got health insurance right now, you shouldn't suddenly see your costs go up as part of health care reform. Okay. And a young preacher named Martin Luther King traveled here to Accra to watch the Union Jack come down and the Ghanaian flag go up. It may even go up faster than that. So we all have an interest in reforming the healthcare system so that the cost for employers don't go up. That means the cost for you don't go up, and that means you can actually start bringing home a little more take-home pay. I mean, there's always going to be a country, actually wages are starting to go up a little bit in China. Our problem is absolutely essential to our hardworking middle-class families and to our economy to make sure that their taxes don't go up on January 1st. All Americans would have raised taxes by $3,000 for a typical American family, and that could cost our economy well over